Hi guys, welcome to today's episode. Hari ni I nak share my favourite blusher for Hari Raya. This is by Hourglass. This one I beli from PS sebab this is actually, if I'm not mistaken, this is actually a leopard palette. I customize it into owl. You nak beli Hourglass punya palette, satu palette sahaja dah cukup. Dan walaupun I dah guna banyak kali, dia nampak macam baru, macam belum guna langsung. Harga dia mahal tapi memang sangat-sangat berbaloi. Walaupun you ada satu palette ni, you boleh pakai like the next 10 years. Okay, the next one is actually very new. I baru review dia last month. After I try it, I really like the formulation. This is the Huda Beauty Roseberry Blush. Dia sangat tak dusty, dia tak powdery. I don't know how Huda made this. The mattes are very good. They are very pigmented. I like this colour so much sebab dia sangat neutral. Yang ini memang sangat berbaloi. My ride or die. This is the Sadewa punya blush palette in Argentina. Can you tell? Betapa in love-nya I dengan this palette. If you have an ick towards like cream blush mixed with the powders, I'm so sorry. But this is so good. It's very like neutral, very like my vibe. Kalau korang nampak, I punya pattern, I suka pakai cream blusher bila hari raya sebab I nak stay on sangat-sangat lama. So I have two actually, dua-dua daripada Roxor. First one is by Wardah. This is in the shade macam ni. This one is by Intuit in the shade Chic Heat. Okay, cuma this one is a lot more like darker. This one dia lebih like neutral kan. So, korang boleh nampak tak pattern blusher. I suka yang neutral and not too pink. Yang ini I akan pakai dulu. After that, I will top it with my powder blush. Kita pergi beraya, kita akan berpeluh. Jadi kalau kita hanya pakai powder blusher je, dia akan oxidize and hilang dalam gambar. Kalau you pakai flash, lagi tak nampak kan. So sebab tu I suka any products with cream. I memang sangat-sangat prefer. Okay, the last one, this is by Catrice. This is what I'm wearing today actually. I mix this into it one, and then on top I letak this blusher. This blusher I selalu pakai kalau macam I tak tahu nak pakai blusher apa hari tu, ataupun I macam nak nampak presentable, I will go for these blushes. Macam ada tak ada macam tu tau. Tapi it is very pigmented. You ambil sikit, make sure you apply dari belakang and then you bawa ke depan. Sebab dia sangat pigmented. Kalau korang suka recommendation I, jangan lupa save this video and follow I for my next episode of my Glow Raya series. Bye.